So hello everyone. So in this session, very important discussion we will have on the micro, small, and medium enterprises, the various government initiatives, as well as the schemes for the promotion as well as the development of MSMEs in India. So as per the latest data, in India we are having nearly 6.3 crores MSMEs, and this particular MSME sector contributes 29% towards the GDP through its domestic as well as the international trade. And according to the data shared by the MSME minister in Rajya Sabha, the registered MSME is dominated by the micro enterprises at 22.06 lakhs units from 18.70 lakhs. So these are the statistics show the development of MSMEs in India, and we are having a separate ministry for this. So Ministry of the MSME runs numerous schemes targeted for the providing credit and financial assistance or skill development training, infrastructure development, marketing assistance, technology and quality upgradation, and other services for MSMEs across the country. Because we observed that the problems are faced by the MSMEs. So in order to provide that support, so through the a separate ministry, the government is working very sincerely for the promotion of the MSME in India. So these are the some snapshots with respect to the MSMEs. So we can see the growth from 2019 to 2020. So India is approximately having nearly 63.33 crores MSMEs, and we achieved 18.5% growth compared to 2019, and dominated states, key states where I think highest number of MSMEs taken by Maharashtra nearly 17%, Tamil Nadu, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh. And under that ministry, actually, we're having a statutory bodies like Khadi Village Industries Commission, Coil Board, and National Small Industries Corporation Limited, and National Institute for MSME, and finally the Mahatma Gandhi Institute for the Rural Industrialization. So all these are the statutory bodies incorporated or made for the contribution to the development of the MSMEs. Now these are the some government initiatives we can say for the development of the MSME in India. First one, we are having a separate ministry for this. So about the ministry, we will have a discussion a bit later. Next, here we are having a roadmap here. Actually, a task force is constituted on 30th January 2010 to provide a roadmap for the development of and promotion of MSME in India. So various areas here are fixed for the task force. It may be providing credit or marketing assistance, labor, rehabilitation and exit policy, infrastructure, technology, and skill development. And especially the provision is given for the special measures with respect to Jammu Kashmir and the northeast regions. Next, public procurement. It is the second initiative from the government side. So government recently approved the public procurement policy of goods produced and service rendered by the MSME, by the central departments as well as from the public undertakings. Next, SEBI support is also there for the MSME to enter into the capital market. So separate trading platform here it is given through Security Exchange Board of India. Next, we are having the skill development programs in the name of Skill India. We know that the ministry nearly trained 5.7 lakhs people in various programs, as well as it will focus on the self-employment opportunities also. Next, cluster approach concept is adopted here. So government has adopted the cluster approach as a key strategy for enhancing the productivity and competitiveness as well as capacity building of the MSMEs. Next, we are having a credit guarantee fund. See, government launched the credit guarantee fund scheme for all the small industries. So now this is termed as actually credit guarantee fund scheme. So with the help of some industrial development corporation like SIDBI, so the government is giving the credit guarantee fund. Next, technology upgradation as well as management programs is undertaken by the government. So 59 clusters have been taken up. It may be the manufacturing of toy or locks or machine tools as well as the hand tools. Next, we are having the Rajiv Gandhi Udyami Mitra Yojana. So the main objective of this particular scheme is to promote and support the establishment of new MSMEs, identifying the potential first generation entrepreneurs, those who have successfully completed the entrepreneurship development programs as well as the skill development programs, all these things. And we're having some other initiatives also, removal of 24% cap on the investment limit and credit linked capital subsidy scheme and Prime Minister's employment generation programs. Now, little bit focus we should give for the Ministry of MSME. So at the central government, we are having a separate ministry called Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, headed by Honorable Minister Nitin Jairam Gadkari as well as the Honorable Minister of State Sri Pratap Chandra Sarangi as well as the Chief is headed by the Prime Minister Honorable Narendra Modi. So here various initiatives are taken from the government side. From last year 2020, I think there is a provision of online registration for the MSME in the name of Udyami. So E-Udyog Aadhaar, there is an online platform created by the MSMEs for the online registration of the MSME. Next, we are having Spruti, the scheme of the fund for regeneration of the traditional industries here. And next, we are having Aspire, that is a scheme for the promotion of the innovation, rural industry as well as the entrepreneurship. And the application also developed. It's called My MSME. So here various schemes are available in one platform. It may be that Udyog Aadhaar memorandum or digital payment data or Samadhan or grievance mentoring system or quality upgradation. So all these the schemes of the government is available in one platform here. And through the Department of MSME, the various schemes are made. So first one is the Prime Minister Employment Generation Program and other credit support schemes. So here we are having that Prime Minister Employment Generation Program, Credit Guarantee Trust Fund for the MSMEs, as well as the Interest Subsidy Eligibility Certificate. Next we are having the development of Khadi, village and coir industries. So all these schemes are available for the promotion of the MSME in India. So they are giving opportunity for the development of Khadi as well as village industries and coir industries. Next, we are having technology upgradation and quality certification, because MSME they need to have that ISO certification or ISA certification. So they need to have that quality certification here in order to market their product, in order to have that competitiveness. So all these are the supportive schemes coming under the MSME department, starting from the financial support to the MSMEs in Z certification schemes, or we are having that building awareness on intellectual property rights also. And next we are having marketing promotion schemes, international cooperation, marketing assistance, procurement and marketing support schemes. Next, entrepreneurship and skill development programs we are having here. So entrepreneurship skill development program as well as assistance to the training institutions and infrastructure development programs and scheme of surveys, studies and policy research for data management and national SCST hub we are having, and finally the scheme of the information, education and communication. And finally, we are having so many supporting agencies also from the government side for the MSMEs, like we are having MSME board, MSME development organization, MSME development institutions, MSME technology development centers, testing centers here, tool rooms we are having. We are having Entrepreneurship Development Institute, National Small Industry Corporation we are having, SIDBI, as well as the Khadi and Village Industries Commission. So kindly go through the various schemes. You will accessible the website of the Ministry of the MSME. Thank you.